Hello and welcome to my channel all about accountancy, where we convert your accounting problems into solutions. I am your host Professor Tanmaypvttutor, and today I am back with a new episode of 60-Second Accountancy. Today's tip is related to the chapter called Redemption of Preference Shares. This chapter is a company oriented chapter in which we are the company and we are supposed to pass some journal entries in order to redeem our preference shares. Now the sequence of these journal entries is fixed. So today I am not going to explain the journal entries to you, but I am going to help you remember the sequence of journal entries. So let us begin. There are 6 steps involved in the redemption of preference shares. The first step is to pass a board resolution in order to redeem your preference shares. The second step is to sell any investments or fixed assets that you can in order to collect some money. The third step is to make a fresh issue, that is, you are supposed to give out some new preference shares or new equity shares if you can. The fourth step is to write off any premium on redemption of preference shares, that is POR, if you have redeemed your preference shares on premium. The fifth step is to create a reserve called the capital redemption reserve. This reserve is created whenever you are redeeming preference shares or debentures. And the last step, that is the sixth step, is to make the payment to the preference shareholders. In order to remember the sequence of these steps, let us take out the main words from all these steps and try to make a shortcut out of it. So your first step is to pass a board resolution. So let us take the word resolution for the first step. In the second step, we are selling some investments. So investments. Then in your third step, you are giving out new shares. So new. In our fourth step, we are going to write off the premium on redemption, that is POR. So premium. In our fifth step, we are going to create the capital redemption reserve, that is CRR. So create. And in our last step, that is our sixth step, we are going to make the payment to the preference shareholders. So payment. So from all these words, that is resolution, investment, new, POR, CRR and payment, we get a shortcut, that is RINPCP. RINPCP. So you should always remember that redemption of preference shares is equals to RINPCP. This way you will at least remember the sequence of the journal entries of redemption. I hope you have liked my tip. If you have, then please like and share my video, subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell as well. I upload videos every Wednesday and Sunday. If you have any queries or suggestions, you can use the comment box down below. See you in my next video. Till then, this is Professor Tanmaypvttutor signing off. Good luck and take care.